Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you doing this morning? I hope you are fine. I hope you are good. Welcome back to class this morning. As you all know, today is Sunday and today is the 9th of January 2022. What did I say? Today is Sunday and today is the 9th of January 2022. Welcome back to class this morning, everyone. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Miss Esther is very fine and Miss Esther is great, okay? So this morning we are going to be doing the A sound, but before we start the A sound, we are going to review our sounds to make sure you all still remember our phonics sounds, okay? So here we have the letter S, and the letter S sounds So we have the snake sandwich as the letter S sound. Whatever you say, any word you say and they make the letter S sound, they have the letter S sound. And here we have the letter A. The letter A sound goes apple, ant, alligator, apple, So those are the letter A word, and they have the letter A sound, which goes a. And we have the letter T. The letter T sound table, 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 tennis, tiger, tiger. They have the letter T sound. We have the letter I. Of course, we know that our letter I has two sounds. We have the letter I and the letter E. We have the letter I for ice cream, and the letter I, we have the letter E for ink and iguana. I and E. I and E. So we have the letter P, which sounds p, 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 p. We have pizza, pizza, pizza. And we have, what else? Pineapple, pineapple. What else? We have pink, pink. So those are the letter P sounds. We have the letter N, nose, nose, nest. That is the letter N sound. Here, if you notice, here we have two letters together. We have two letters together. Whenever you see a letter that came together to make one sound, they are called special friends. The letter C came to stay with the letter K because they want to be friends. So when they become friends, we call them special friends. Okay? We call them what? Special friends. And they make the sound K, 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 K. Okay? So here we have the letter E. The letter E sounds elephant, elephant, egg, aeroplane. Okay? That is the letter E sound. And we have the letter H. Heart, hamburger, horse. Those are the letter H sound. And we have the letter R. Rat, rat. The letter M, man, monkey. The letter B, dolphin, dinosaur. The letter G, goat, gorilla. The letter O, orange, Octopus, the letter U. We have two sounds for the letter U. We have the sound and we have the sound U. We have the sound unicorn, unicorn, and we have the sound, yes, who can tell me? Up. Unicorn, up. Unicorn, umbrella. Umbrella, uniform. Okay, the letter L, lamp. Ladybug, lion. The letter F, the letter B, ball. Ball, baby. So these are all we have for our letters, and today we are going to be looking at the sound. Remember what I told you about special friends? So the A and the I came together to be friends, and we call them special friends or digraph. We call them special friends. So here we have the sound A. The sound A and I, when they come together, they make the sound A. A. Everyone say A. 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 Very good. So whenever you remember that, whenever you see the A and I, always remember the snail. Snail. A. A. Snail. So that is the sound of the letter A and I. So I told you that when they come together to be friends, we call them special friends, and they make the sound A. A. So we are going to look at how we write our letter A and I. Okay? Did you see that? And the letter I? Very good. This is how we write our letter A and letter I. We start from the top, down, then make a straight line, then and put the dots. Okay, so that is how we write our letter A and letter I. Let's listen to our song very fast.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say?
Did you hear the song? A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try?